prepared. You think the stars will align in their own time, but I don't care. Give me a reason to satisfy your treasons. Change the seasons. This winter has lasted too long.
Take a little of the reds, the white and the blue. Stir it up in a cup and tell me what you gotta do. Take a little of the past, the angst and the noise. Take a look at the people, take a look at the girls and the boys. Out on a rock, I'm stuck on a shock, and I don't want nobody to mend it. Out on a rock, I'm stuck on a shock, and I'm like a liar, like a thief and a bandit. Could you tell me what it's for, what it's good for, how it works?
Oh, well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, love, love. Listen to the music of the moment, maybe sing with me. A la peaceful melody. It's your God-forsaken right to be loved, loved, loved.
El premio a la pieza mayor de este campeonato fue para Juan José Díaz con un pinto de 3 kilos 665 gramos, casi un metro.